Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Who is it?
Hey, turn the fucking TV down.
Who is it?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, it's your neighbor.
My member?
Your neighbor, you dumb This is
my
the...
neighbor?
Yeah, your neighbor, the paper you've been stealing. My paper.
You paper?
Yes, my newspaper every morning that comes to my house, and you come over and take it and bring it to your house?
Your paper?
It's 50 cents every day, and I pay for the goddamn paper.
I take your paper?
Yeah, you take my paper.
Why?
I don't know why. That's why I'm calling you. I'm trying to find out why the hell you do something like that.
Why you know that? Why you know I take it?
Yeah, I know you take it. You want me to kick your ass?
Why you know I take it?
Yeah, you stop taking my paper, otherwise I'm gonna kick some ass.
Oh!
I want you to go get the paper right now and read it to me, because I don't know what the hell's going on in the world, because I don't have a frickin' paper.
Motherfucker, fucker, shit, bitch!